there are cockpits. And then there are legends. The F-4 Phantom II was not just a fighter jet. It was the roar of the Cold War. Today, we open the canopy and step inside the seat of history. Born in the late 1950s, McDonnell Douglas's masterpiece was designed for one purpose: to dominate the skies. Capable of breaking Mach 2, this twin-engine beast could carry missiles, bombs, and reconnaissance gear. When the Phantom took to the skies, enemies took cover. Stepping into the Phantom's cockpit is like entering a mechanical fortress. Analog dials, radar scopes, weapon selectors, each one demanding the pilot's complete attention. This was an era before glass cockpits, when skill, instinct, and training decided survival. Armed with AIM-7 Sparrows, AIM-9 Sidewinders, bombs, and a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon, the Phantom was equally deadly in dogfights and bombing runs. It could turn the tide of a battle in minutes. 2 General Electric J79 engines pushed over 35,000 pounds of thrust, enough to blast the Phantom past Mach diameter, and into the thin air where only the best could fight. Pilots described the sound not as noise, but as a war cry. From the jungles of Vietnam to the deserts of the Middle East, the Phantom wrote its name in fire and steel. It served in the US Air Force, Navy, Marines, and allied nations worldwide. Every mission, every sortie, every kill added to its legend. Over 5,000 built, dozens of air forces, decades of dominance. Even today, in museums and air shows, the Phantom's cockpit still feels alive. This is more than cold metal. It's the heartbeat of aviation history. The F-4 Phantom II cockpit, a time capsule of speed, power, and courage. Would you take the stick and feel the roar? This is Supersonic News.